This is the Poly Drafting Chair by Pago. The Poly Drafting Chair is certified to the highest standard and tested in extreme conditions. This chair is made with anti-static material, is AFRDI approved for commercial use, and features a 3-lever Postersure mechanism with a ratchet back. In the Poly Drafting Chair, you can adjust to the correct posture in a number of seated positions. The first lever operates the gas lifter, allowing you to set the seat to the desired height. From the desired seat height, you must adjust the foot support ring to suit. When you place your feet on the support ring, ensure there is a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your shin bone. Adjust the foot ring accordingly. The foot ring is adjusted as follows. Step 1. Rotate the ring anti-clockwise to unlock. Raise or lower the ring to suit your individual height. Rotate the ring clockwise to secure it in place. Sit as far back in the chair as possible. The second lever operates the back angle of the chair for correct posture. The back can be fixed in position or allowed to move freely. Pull the lever up for free movement and push the lever down to lock the back angle in the desired position. The third lever adjusts the seat tilt. Pull the lever up to adjust and down to lock in the desired position. We recommend tilting your pelvis slightly forward, generating better posture and lumbar support. The Poly Drafting Chair also offers an adjustable lumbar which supports your spine. For greater posture, simply adjust the lumbar by firmly pressing the seat back down into its lowest position. Here, the seat back will be secured. To find a suitable position, raise the seat back gently, lift through the rungs, and find your desired position. Once reaching the top of the mechanism, the seat back will be released and the process must be repeated. Pago chairs are built to last, so the Poly Drafting Chair carries a 15-year manufacturer's warranty. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on a great new addition to your home or office.